Hello students, good morning to all of you. Now we are starting the second part of the chapter number 2, fraction and decimal. Chapter number 2, fraction and decimal, second part from the exercise 2.5 to 2.7. In the exercise 2.5, you have to find which decimal value is greater and which is smaller. Just you have given 0.5 and 0.05. First of all, you have to see from the fraction or a decimal digit which value is bigger. It is given to you 0, 0, it is equal, so we can't predict which is greater and smaller. Now we will go for the next digit after the decimal. It is 5 and here is 0. Which is greater? 5 is greater, so 0.5 will be greater than the 0.05. Similarly, you may see another question, 7 or 0.7. So first of all, you will see from the decimal point, that is here 0 and that is 7. In between 7 and 0, which is greater? 7 is greater. So 7 will be greater than the 0.7. Next, you have to see the conversion. Question number 2, convert into rupees. For that, we have 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa and 1 paisa is equal to 1 by 100. Just you have to replace 1 paisa the paisa is given to you and you have to multiply with the 1 by 100 to get in the rupees. Like you have 7 paisa, so 7 paisa is equal to 7 into 1 by 100 into rupees, so that will be the 7 by 100, that will be 0.07. After 1, there is a 2 zeros, so what you will take, you have to take the 2 digit after the decimal point. So you have to, there is only 1 digit, so you will replace or place here 0 before the 7, there will be the 2 digit after the decimal. Like that you have to convert this rupees. Next conversion is centimeter into meter and kilometer. Centimeter into meter, that conversion is 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. And 1 meter is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So likewise 5 centimeter. So you have to multiply with the 1 by 100 to convert into the meter. And into kilometer, you will again multiply with the 1000. 1 by 1000, you will get into the kilometer. So that's the conversion formula for the kilometer. Centimeter into meter and kilometer. Next is a place value. Place value of 2 in the following decimal number. First of all, you must know the expanded form. Before that, we have done in the class 6th, 5th and 4th also, that is a unit place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, up to so on. And then after that decimal point, that will be the 1/10th, 100th, 1000, like that you have to write that. So you have to see the 2 is having the unit 10, tens place, so that will be 20. So like that you have to find the place value. Place value, see here, place value of 2 in 2.56, that is unit place 2 into 1 will be the 2. Place value of 2 here, so unit place, tens place, 2 into 10, that will be the 20 or a 2 tens, you may represent like that. 9.42, that is a after point, that is a 4, that is 1/10, that will be 100th. To 2 by 1 by 100, that will be 0.02 or a 200th. Like that you have to find the place value of the given question. Next exercise, that is multiplication of the decimal numbers. 0.2 into 6. First of all, what you have to do, 0.2 into 6. Remove the decimal place and you will put here, how many point digit are there? 1. So you will put here 10. If there is 2, you will put 100. So that is 12 by 10. Again you have to point or place the digit here. Decimal point is here. That will be 1.2 because there is only 1 0. You must have only 1 digit after the decimal place, that will be 1.2. So likewise you have to do the multiplication of the given data. Multiplication is simple, just you have to replace the decimal point, that's it. The area of the rectangle is, you have to find, length is given, breadth is given, that will be the length into breadth, you will get the area of rectangle. Just you have to do the multiplication, 5.7 into 3, that is 171, and after the decimal point there is only 1 digit, so you will put the decimal point here because after the decimal you also have a 1 digit here. Next, multiplication with 10, 100 and 1000. So what you will do here, 1.3 into 10. So remove the decimal point, divide by 10, then 10 is cancelled with 10, you will get only the 13. Only 13 will be the answer. Same here, 7th, 8th part, 43.07 into 100. Remove the decimal point, put the, after the decimal point here is a 2 digit. So place here 100. 100 is cancelled with 100. You will get 4,307. That will be the answer. Right? So likewise, you have to do the multiplication of the decimal values. Last is exercise is division of the decimal values. You have to divide the decimals. 0.4 divided by 2. So what you will write here, similarly as you have done in the fraction chapter. First of all, you will write 0.4, this multiply convert into the divide, or divide into multiply. This divide will be replaced by multiply, and this 2 will be replaced in the numerator by denominator. You have to take the reciprocal, 2 by 1, it will be replaced by 1 by 2. You will remove this decimal point. After the decimal there is only 1 digit, so you will put here 0. 4 by 10 into 1 by 2, you will get, this 2 is cancelled with 2, no need to cut with 10. So the directly value is 2 by 10, you may write 0.2. You have to try that the maximum denominator must be in zeros, 10, 1000, 100 like that you must have. 0.80 divide by 5. First of all, point will be removed, you will get 100 here, and this 5 will be 1 by 5 because divide will be changed into multiply. Then 5 is cut with a 16 by 100, that will be 0.16. Like that you have to solve or divide with 10 and 100. Right? So you have to solve this exercise and solve this second part in the fair notebook. Thank you, beta.